Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your iPhone is ready, iOS 16. 4 or newer and iCloud keychain enabled. This stores passkeys securely. Once done, open the app or website you want to use and tap Sign in with Passkey or Create Passkey. This starts the enrollment flow. You'll be prompted to confirm with Face ID or Touch ID. Accept it. This step generates a cryptographic key pair. The private key stays on your device, the public key goes to the service. Now you create and save the passkey by approving the biometric prompt. Do this when the app asks. You'll often see an option to name the passkey. Choose something descriptive so you can find it later. Make sure the iPhone stores it in passwords under passkeys. Open Settings, right arrow Passwords to confirm. If you use multiple devices, enable iCloud Keychain Sync so passkeys replicate across your Apple ecosystem. This keeps your private key safe and available. To sign in, tap Sign in with Passkey and confirm with Face ID or Touch ID, fast and password-free. If you need to use a different device, select Use another device and follow the QR or link-based handshake to transfer an authorization. If something goes wrong, first make sure iCloud Keychain is on and your network is stable. If issues persist, remove and recreate the passkey from the service's security settings. This regenerates keys and usually resolves sync or authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.